Hello guys, what's up? You're welcome here. Okay, today I'm just gonna show you how to buy dollar into perfect money and deposit it into your account, that is into your binary.com account. It's a very simple step, so we're just going to rush it up right now, so stay tuned. Alright, first thing that you have to do, the things we need is you need a naira for dollar account, which is this one. Then you need a perfect money account, that is perfect money that is, remember we are buying it into perfect money, then deposit it into binary.com. Basically today what we are just going to be doing is we are just basically going to be buying it into perfect money and then wait for it to get deposited, because it takes within 24 hours for the money to be deposited into your perfect money account, depending on the broker you're operating with. So this one we're operating with naira for dollar as an intermediary. So let's begin the process right now. Now first of all, let me assume you've opened an account here and you just have to log in. So for me, I have an account with them before and I just have to log in. Now what you need to proceed now is you need to have with you your perfect money login details. When I say your perfect money login details, I mean some login credentials. Now first of all, what I have to do here, let me log into your perfect money, and then alright, this details is pre-safe. Enter this number 38033. Alright, now I'll be sent an automatic email which I have to copy the pin. If you know this by now, this is a security measure, and this is assumed that already by now you already have an account with perfect money already. So copy and paste it. Now we are into the account. Now this is what we need, this ID that starts with you know this just copy it, Ctrl C. This since this account has it's like it's your wallet, it houses both euro, different currency, trust, and you can add up currency below. You can add up currency, Bitcoin, even Bitcoin, they house Bitcoin too. So now what we are just interested in right now is the United States dollar that starts with you. You have to copy this number correctly. So now you now go back to your naira for dollar account. Now click on buy. When you click on buy, I think I can delete this now. Click on buy, then click on perfect money. Let me shift this from here. It's somewhere here. When you click on perfect money, scroll down how much you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 50 USD. You can enter as much as possible. Now that's your perfect money ID that you copied from there. Paste it here. It's your account number. Paste it here. If you copy and paste the wrong thing here, now what will be sent to you? This money, when you finally make the final purchase, will be sent to whatever account. This is where the money will be sent to whatever account you paste here. So now my mode of purchase, actually I prefer internet transfer to Polaris Bank because that's what I've been using. I don't have any note to make, and let me click proceed. So on this page, one thing you must notice is that this must display the name that is on your perfect money account. If this you something, your perfect money account you paste was correct, it has to display the name on the account. So now because that is correct, I'll click proceed. So here we are. Now what we have to do here is, first of all, what you have to do is, if you are using a mobile phone, for me I'm using a PC, so what I quickly do here is screenshot this page, okay, because after some time it will reload. Now this is the account you are transferring the money to. This is the name of the account. This is the total amount you are transferring plus extra 15 naira VAT added to it, stamp duty added to it. Then on the depositor name, this is what you're fixing. So now let me quickly copy the account number since I'm making the transfer here. Okay, let me use I hope this open in incognito. Let me use my quick teller from online. Alright, now after some time this place reloads, so you have to copy the details and keep before it reloads. So waiting for my quick teller to load up. Well, for me to meet up in case that page reload, what I just do is I just copy the account number and paste it in one tab, then go back, copy this depositor name. If you were depositing with bank, okay, it's reloading and the amount is 18,550 naira. If you're depositing with bank, you have to enter all the details correctly. You can see the page has reloaded, so if these details were not copied down, it will be a little problem for me, but anyway, it's not that big deal. Well, my quick teller finally loads up, so I go to transfer, then where did I paste the account number? Copy the account number. Already I know the name of the account number. This thing doesn't have to display twice. Paste it here. What was the name of the bank? Polaris. Okay, just with the name has to display automatically. Then the amount was 18,550 naira. Alright, then let's scroll down. Then for the depositor name, where to paste that? If you, this is just the narrative of the transaction to verify it, so I can just paste there the narrator name for remark. Alright, then I click continue. Alright, so here we are. I already have some of my card details pre-saved here, so in that case I just have to proceed as this way. Alright, I think I need to cover some things here. Alright, alright, then my pin. Hold on guys, let me enter my pin. Alright, let's wait up while the transaction proceeds. Alright, this transaction just became successful now. So now what I just need to verify this transaction is I'll copy this transaction ID. It's very important. Okay, copy the transaction ID, then go back to the naira for dollar account. Then when you get here, you can see that your transaction is pending. By the time your transaction is successful, when the money is deposited into your perfect money, you will see it's written processed, but for now it's pending. So now what I need to do is I'll click on send alert, then the details, teller number, transfer details, I can just paste this here. Then for the depositor name / details, I could either copy these details, the remarks. Where's our remarks? Where should we write down this remarks here? And paste here. Either of them, they will verify the account, but for me, I normally prefer writing the account from which I transferred the money from. Then which bank? Access Bank. Then since the transaction was done today, I don't need to adjust anything, so send alert to admin. And that's all. We can return to dashboard now by going to, let's go to naira for dollar. Alright, login. Okay, it's still pending, but we've clicked send alert. You can see that here there's not that black, there's not, there's send alert now. So now we have to now wait for within 24 hours they deposit the money into this perfect money account. Then to deposit it into binary.com, it doesn't take anything, just within a microsecond. Just log in, they just process it immediately within a microsecond. So that is how to buy dollar from your Nigerian account into your perfect money account. So thank you for watching this video. Wait for other videos, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up, so like it. If you have more question or anything to make inquiry on, just message below, send a message below.